This is a tutorial video on how to submit assignments via Blackboard. This is within the KIN 200 Intro to the Field of Kinesiology shell. And whether under course materials for any of the shells, any of the courses that you might be taking in at Harper College for kinesiology, under course materials, you'll find a link here that says Submitting Assignments on Blackboard. If you click on that link, you'll have from Blackboard a help aspect, quite a bit of information, a lot of details on how to submit assignments online. I'm going to show you a quick way of how to do just a quick example of your assignment material. So under assignments and learning modules, if you go under the module and you find an assignment, you'll find anything here that has a pencil and a ruler. And that pencil and ruler, it dictates that this is an assignment that needs to be submitted for grades. What you'll find, this is the link here for the submission of the assignment, but under attached files is the actual assignment itself. So the assignment you'll click on, and it will pull up the editable document. And so you'll open with it, and you'll open up your Word doc here. And what you're intended to do is to treat the document like a worksheet. So if this was handed out in class, you would fill it in with paper and pencil. And you could, if you wanted to, you could print this out and you could fill it out like you would a worksheet. Or you could do it digitally. So you click here and you type your answer, right? Whatever your response is, go through, fill it out. You don't even really have to have your name on here unless you print it out. But if you're doing it electronically, fill it all out, save it somewhere where you know, so don't save it in a temporary file. Save it to the desktop or whatever you want. You go back to the assignment here. You click on now the actual link here, Professional Web Tour, and now you have the document here again that you just filled out. This wouldn't be the document you filled; it would be the blank version, and you would drag and drop the file right here within this dashed box, or you browse My Computer and you look through and you select the file that you want, find the Word document, and submit it. And then you hit submit. That's it. It's as simple as that. So you can drag and drop the file or pick it on your location on your computer. If the assignment, which you wouldn't experience from any of my assignments, but you might in other classes, it doesn't have a worksheet, you can fill out the comments here. And you can put your document here. Up here you could write submission. Where's it at? Right here. You could write the submission, and then it has its own in-depth. If you wanted to do that, none of my assignments will. You might have a class that has that, but I prefer that you save the document, upload it as like a worksheet type aspect. With my classes, you can submit as many times as you like. So let's say you submit the wrong file, you submit an error, or you second guess yourself minutes later and you wanted to put a different file, and that's fine. You could submit unlimited. I will degrade the most recent submission. So if you submit 5 times, I'll ignore the first 4 and only look at your 5th submission. Please note that I can accept all file types except Apple Pages files. So if you're using Pages, you have to export it as a PDF or as a Word doc. So please make sure that you are not submitting Pages file. It can submit everything, text, even open office documents, but not Pages files. If you are more comfortable printing it out and then handwriting it, you can scan it if you'd like, but you could also submit JPEGs, so image files. So you could take a picture with your phone and then submit that image file instead of a Word document file. So that's how you submit assignments. That's global for every assignment here, including the portfolio project. It's all done electronically. You can either create your own Word document and submit it, or you can use the existing Word document and treat it like a worksheet. And you're just going to add the file here, hit submit, and you are good to go.